Hello friends, today's topic is Runge-Kutta second order method, or it is also called as an Yune's method. There are actually two different techniques for Runge-Kutta method. There are certain orders in Runge-Kutta method. Okay, so today we are going to see the second order method and the formula in under Runge-Kutta method. The formula for second order method is also called as an Hume's method. Okay. Now today we have come up with an example that is given dy by dx equals to xy with y of 1 equals to 5. Find the solution correct to 3 decimal position in the interval 1 to 1.5 using step size that is h equals to 0.1. Okay, so it means that we have to go from 1 to 1.5. So it means that our position we need to move step size that is from 1 1.1 1.2 1.3 1.4 and 1.5. So we need to move up till that. Okay, so let us see first how to solve this. Okay, the formula for Runge-Kutta second order method is yi plus 1 is equals to yi plus hs. Okay, now s is equals to s1 plus s2 by 2. Okay, so this is our formula. Now how to calculate this s1 and s2? Let us check that. Okay, s1, we need to find s1 is f of x1 comma y1. Okay, and s2 is equals to f of x1 plus h comma y1 plus h s of 1. Okay, so these are the formula which we are going to apply. Now in this given example, f of x comma y, okay, f of xy is always, we know that it is equals to xy. So in given example, x1 is equals to 1. Okay, this is 1. Okay, now y1 is given 5, and h, we know that that is the interval that is 0.1. Okay, so the formula for this now becomes, the formula now becomes yi plus 1 is equals to yi plus 0.1 into s. Okay, so s, we know how to calculate s. S is equals to s1 plus s2 by 2. Okay, so let us apply for iteration 1. Okay, so y2, according to this, y2 is equals to y1, that is initially y value. What is the value of y? Y1 plus 0.1 into s. So this will be our formula. Okay, we'll see each and every value. First we need to calculate s1. Okay, because s1 is needed under s. Okay, so s1 is equals to f of x1 comma y1, okay, is equals to f of 1 comma 5. Okay, so that is equals to 1 into 5 is equals to 5. s2 is equals to f of x1 plus 0.1 comma y into, sorry, y1, it is y1 plus 0.1 into s1. Okay, so this is our formula. Now replace all the values. F of 1.1 plus 0.1, 0.1 okay. So here 5 plus 0.1 into 5 s1, that is 5. Okay, okay, let us get back. Sorry, a step has been missed. A step has been missed over here. Okay, I'll explain it deeply. I have taken the wrong values while considering. Okay, so it will be f of 1.1 plus, sorry, comma 5 plus 0.1 into 5. Okay, so this will be our consideration. So f of 1.1 comma 5.5. okay, so it will be 6.05. okay, so s2 we got sorry, s2 is equals to 6.05. Now let us calculate s. Okay, then we'll solve all the put all the values into the equation and then solve the whole value, right? Okay, so now s is equals to s1 by s2. Okay, we know s1 by s1 plus s2 by 2, it is 5 plus 6.05 divided by 2, that we get 5.525. okay, so y is equals to, the formula for y is 5 plus 0.1 into 5.525. okay, so the answer is 5.553. okay, now the second solution point is obtained as x2 comma y2. okay, so x2 comma y2 is 1.1 comma 5.553. okay, so now for I is equals to 2, we have to repeat the procedure now again. So y3 is equals to y2 plus 0.1 into s. okay, so s1 is equals to f of x2 comma y2, that is equals to f of 1.1 into 5.553, that you get as 6.108. okay, so we got s1. now we need to calculate s2. okay, so let us calculate s2 for iteration 2. okay, so s2 is equals to f of x2 plus 0.1 comma y2 plus 0.1 into s1. Okay, so we have the values, put all the values, that is x2 is 1.2 plus 0.1 comma 5.553, sorry, x2 is 1.1. Okay, x2 is 1.1. Now 5.53 plus 0.1 into s1. So what is the value of s1? That is 6.108. Okay, so finally we get the answer, that is 7.397. okay, now put all these values. First we need to calculate s, that is s1 plus s2 by 2. Okay, so 6.108 plus 7.397 divided by 2, that is equals to 6.752. Okay, so now we get y3 is equals to 5.553 plus 0.1 into 6.572, that is equals to 6.228. Okay, now thus the third solution point is obtained as x3 comma y3 is equals to 1.2 comma 6.228. Okay, so this is our second iteration value. Okay, now let us solve this for third iteration. Let us solve this for third iteration and we'll obtain all the values. Okay, so for third iteration, let us solve this